Almost 40 years ago, John Devenberg uttered the words, "How can I help?" Those words laid the foundation for Aspen Sales, which continues to support you with a concierge level of service. Aspen Sales helps design teams locate the perfect component for their application. We help manufacturers bring their skills and specialties to customers. Aspen Sales lays a solid foundation for care. Right now, as medical device manufacturers, the work you are doing is more essential than ever. You are on the front lines, and for that, we're grateful. None of us ever would have predicted we'd live in a world where social distancing was necessary. Still, our Aspen Sales team remains committed to supporting you in any way we can. If you need help with sourcing a product, we are here. And beyond that, if there's anything we can do for you, we ask, how can we help?